First the ABR brush loader, and where to put these plugins. If I go into my downloads, there's my zip I've downloaded. Windows section only has those two plugins. They go in data roaming, Gimp-2-10 plugins. So there's the ABR and the PS pattern loader in the Gimp plugins folder. If I start Gimp up, and we'll check the ABR loader out. Just found out this has become a little bit redundant, but there's my brushes. But I can go into File, Open, and if I go and you had this in Downloads, this ABR brush, I can open this as a GIMP image with a load of layers, and for any particular layer maybe that one, I can go and I'll just drag it into the toolbox to open it as a new image. And as a new image, I can go and export it to, again we're going to go through this performance of finding the GIMP. Windows should be shut for this. Approved location. There it is in the brushes folder, which doesn't have any brushes at the moment. I'll just call it, go to 01. So it's easier to find. GBR, which is the brush extension. You get a little export images brush like this. I'll put the spacing down to 1. You can put a description, any description you like. And if I go and refresh the brushes, that little green arrow, there's my 1. I'll shut these down. Open a new canvas, and I can use the brush like this. It does take other colours if I want to use them. Grayscale.